Welcome to this complete Sintra Portugal guide. Nestled on the Portuguese Riviera, Sintra is a gem steeped in history, brimming with cultural significance. Its timeless beauty is a testament to the tales it holds. Prepare to immerse yourself in the charm of Sintra. First stop, the stunning Pena Palace. This remarkable monument is a true testament to the creativity of the 19th century. Towering over Sintra, it's a delightful blend of architectural styles, colors, and themes. The palace was constructed in the mid-19th century by King Ferdinand II, who had an imaginative vision to transform a former monastery ruins into a palace that would serve as a summer residence for the Portuguese royal family. The result? A dazzling fusion of Gothic, Renaissance, Moorish and Manueline architectural styles, creating a spectacle that seems to have sprung out from a fairy tale. As you navigate through its ornate interiors, you'll encounter beautiful stuccos, painted tiles and murals, each narrating a unique story. And when you step outside, the palace offers breathtaking views of the surrounding forests and seascape, a sight that will leave you spellbound. And remember, a visit to Sintra wouldn't be complete without stepping into the grandeur of Pena Palace. Next, we'll explore the enchanting Quinta da Regaleira. This architectural marvel, nestled in the heart of Sintra, Portugal, is a testament to the allure of Gothic architecture. It's like stepping into a fairy tale with its ornate turrets and towers piercing the sky and the intricate stone carvings whispering stories of a bygone era. But the magic doesn't stop at the palace doors. Wander into the lush gardens where nature and artistry intertwine in a symphony of green. Twisting paths lead to hidden grottos, and every corner turned reveals yet another surprise. Descending into the earth, the initiation well awaits. Not a well in the traditional sense, but rather an inverted tower, its spiral staircase plunging into the cool subterranean depths. This marvel of masonry was used for ceremonial purposes, adding an air of intrigue to its mesmerizing beauty. Quinta da Regaleira, a place where mystery meets beauty, a slice of Sintra that will forever remain etched in your memory. Now let's journey to the past at the Moorish Castle and the Monserrate Palace. Perched high on a hill, the Moorish Castle, or Castelo dos Muros, takes us back to the 8th century. Its stone walls and towers, often enveloped in a mystical fog, whisper tales of Islamic rule and Christian conquests. This castle is a testament to Sintra's strategic importance through the ages. We then descend to the valley for the Monserrate Palace, an enchanting fusion of Gothic, Indian and Moorish styles. Its unique design is a testament to the 19th century Romanticism that swept through Europe. The palace's intricate details are as diverse as they are captivating, with every room offering a new surprise. The surrounding gardens, a botanical wonderland, further enhance the palace's charm. From the ancient battlements of the Moorish Castle to the eclectic elegance of Monserrate Palace, Sintra continues to mesmerize us. These sites truly encapsulate the diverse history of Sintra. Our adventure continues with the Sintra National Palace and the Convent of the Capuchos. The Sintra National Palace, with its distinctive twin chimneys, is a dazzling sight to behold. The palace is a blend of Gothic, Manueline, Moorish and Mudéjar styles, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped Portugal's history. Inside you'll find beautifully decorated rooms filled with intricate tile work, painted ceilings and exquisite furnishings. A short journey away, nestled in the Sintra Mountains, is the Convent of the Capuchos. This Franciscan monastery is a stark contrast to the opulence of the National Palace. Here, the emphasis is on simplicity and harmony with nature. The monks lived in tiny cells carved out of the rock, their lives devoted to prayer and contemplation. The moss-covered stones and ancient cork trees create an atmosphere of profound tranquility. These contrasting sights highlight the rich tapestry of Sintra's heritage. Next, we'll lose ourselves in the beauty of the park and National Palace of Pena. This enchanting, fairy tale-like setting is a tapestry of vibrant greenery, where exotic plants from far-flung corners of the globe thrive. From the delicate ferns of New Zealand to the towering redwoods of North America, the park is a living testament to the romance of the exploration era. And then, there's the palace. Perched on a hill, it's a riot of colors and styles, a melting pot of architectural influences. It's as if every castle, palace and cathedral in Europe got together and had a grand old party. Gothic towers cozy up to Renaissance domes, Moorish arches flirt with Manueline ornamentation, and it all somehow works together splendidly. The park and National Palace of Pena is a place where the man-made and the natural world intertwine, a place where every corner holds a surprise. This is where nature and architecture come together in perfect harmony. Let's discover the elegance of the Chalet Palace and the Chalet of the Countess of Edler. The Chalet Palace, a neoclassical marvel, is a testament to the grandeur of the 18th century. This palace, with its ornate frescoes and sprawling gardens, transports you to a time of opulence and refinement. Its rooms whisper tales of royal banquets and aristocratic soirees, where the elite of the day would gather. Now let's shift our gaze to the Chalet of the Countess of Edler. This charming retreat is a beautiful blend of the natural and the man-made. It exemplifies the romantic spirit of the 19th century, with its ornate wooden facades, vibrant murals, and picturesque gardens. It was a sanctuary for the Countess, a place where she could escape the demands of court life. These places serve as a testament to Sintra's romantic past. They stand as enduring symbols of a bygone era, steeped in history, elegance, and a dash of intrigue. Now we'll venture into the Sintra Cascais Natural Park and the Sintra Toy Museum. A haven of biodiversity, the Sintra Cascais Natural Park is a feast for the senses. Its verdant landscapes are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, making it a nature lover's paradise. From the undulating sand dunes to the rugged cliffs, every corner of this park is a testament to Mother Nature's artistry. Switching gears, we step into a world of nostalgia and whimsy at the Sintra Toy Museum. Here, a treasure trove of vintage toys from different eras await. Each exhibit tells a story, transporting us back to the carefree days of childhood. From charming dollhouses to classic tin soldiers, the museum is a playground for the young at heart. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or a lover of nostalgia, the Sintra Cascais Natural Park and Sintra Toy Museum provide a unique blend of experiences. These attractions offer a delightful mix of nature and nostalgia. Finally, we'll end our tour with breathtaking views from Cabo da Roca. This isn't just any ordinary vista, it's the westernmost point of mainland Europe, where the land ends and the sea begins. Here, the Atlantic Ocean unfolds in endless shades of blue, meeting the sky at the horizon in a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's grandeur. Cabo da Roca's cliffs, standing tall at 140 meters, are whipped by winds and washed by a sea that appears infinite. It's a place that has inspired poets and dreamers, its raw beauty echoing the words of Portuguese poet Luís de Camões, who once described it as where the land ends and the sea begins. As you stand at the lighthouse, the symbol of Cabo da Roca, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe at the vastness of the world that stretches out before you. As we gaze out from Cabo da Roca, we're not just at the edge of Portugal, but at the very edge of Europe. That brings us to the end of our Sintra Portugal guide. And what a journey it's been, exploring this treasure trove of history, nature, and culture. We've discovered the grandeur of the Pena Palace with its vibrant colors and panoramic views, and ventured into the intriguing depths of Quinta da Regaleira, where the mysterious initiation well beckons one to explore. We've stood amid the ancient ruins of the Moorish Castle, feeling the echoes of battles long past, and marveled at the elegance of the Monserrate Palace, a testament to Portugal's rich architectural heritage. We've strolled through the ornate rooms of the Sintra National Palace and found tranquility in the humble convent of the Capuchos. Our journey took us through the verdant park and National Palace of Pena, a perfect blend of nature's beauty and human creativity. The opulence of the Chalet Palace left us in awe, as did the charming chalet of the Countess of Edler, a haven of peace and serenity. And let's not forget our adventures in the Sintra Cascais Natural Park, a paradise for nature lovers, and the delightful Sintra Toy Museum, a place where childhood memories come alive. Finally, we savored the breathtaking views from Cabo da Roca, the westernmost point of mainland Europe. Sintra is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time and a feast for the senses. It's a place where every corner tells a story, every path leads to discovery, and every moment is a memory waiting to be made. So why not pack your bags and set off on your own Sintra adventure? From palaces to parks, Sintra offers a slice of paradise for every kind of traveler. Until next time, happy travels.